Hello, my name is Serinci. Thanks for watching our iBiZZtax Cloud version eTutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access to our software. Firstly, just key in our website www.iBiZZcloud.com. Okay, once you are in the system, just scroll down to the page and reach out to here. Over in here, just key in the user ID and the password given, followed by the security code, and you will log into the system. For subscribe, please click on the link. Please visit our website or our social media. Thanks for watching this video.